Okay guys, so I love making these silver glitter jewelry boxes, but I need to know what color glitter you want to see me use for my next glitter jewelry box. I just recently made this one for a customer using crystal clear resin from Let's Resin and gorgeous sparkly silver glitter from Resin. If you guys are interested in any of their products, be sure to check out my link tree because I have some exclusive coupon codes there. All right, besties, so I know this is a very simple design, but it always comes out so glamorous, so you guys have to let me know what you think about the final results. Also, be sure to drop some sparkle emojis in the comments to let me know that you made it all the way till the end of the video. All right, Resinators, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you so much for your support. It literally means the world to me. So I just want you guys to remember to always stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.